Private 5G networks. This is something revolutionary enterprise space. Let's know what exactly is private 5G, and how can businesses benefit from it. Let's break it down. How else can private 5G be defined? We all know about public 5G, which telecom providers offer to consumers and businesses. But private 5G is different. It's a dedicated, secure, and high-performance 5G network deployed exclusively for an enterprise, factory, or campus. Think of it as having your own personal highway for data, instead of using a public road with traffic. This means faster speeds, ultra-low latency, and enhanced security. So, why are businesses investing in private 5G? Here are the top benefits. No network congestion, ensuring seamless operations. Perfect for robotics, smart manufacturing, and automation. Your data stays within the enterprise, reducing cyber risks. You control bandwidth, security, and configurations. Enables AI-powered automation, smart factories, and remote monitoring. Now, which industries can benefit the most from private 5G? Let's take a look. Manufacturing. Enables real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and automated robotics. Healthcare. Supports remote surgeries, telemedicine, and real-time patient monitoring. Automotive. Enhances vehicle-to-vehicle communication for smart mobility. Airports and ports. Improves logistics, security, and automated cargo handling. Enterprises and smart campuses. Ensures seamless connectivity for offices and IoT devices. Wondering how businesses can set up private 5G? Here's how it works. Enterprises need to acquire licensed or shared spectrum. Deploy 5G small cells, edge computing, and core networks. Ensuring seamless operation with IoT, AI, and automation tools. Setting up firewalls, encryption, and performance monitoring tools. Private 5G is not just the future, it's already here. As more industries adopt AI, IoT, and automation, private 5G will become a game changer for businesses looking for ultra-fast, secure, and customized connectivity. So, do you think private 5G is the future of enterprise connectivity? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on telecom innovations. See you in the next video.